Add some spice to your roasted potatoes by trying out this easy and simple peri peri potatoes recipe, which turns out absolutely amazing, crispy, and delicious. The best thing about these peri peri potatoes is that they're super versatile. You can serve the potatoes as a side dish, or you can enjoy the potatoes just as they are with a side sauce. So hope you'll be trying out this easy potato recipe, which only needs 4 ingredients. To make this delicious peri peri potatoes, you'll need around 8 to 12 potatoes. So you're going to peel, wash, and cut your potatoes into medium sizes, just like mine. Mine are already peeled and washed. So the next step is to boil your potatoes. A quick tip for you: to get evenly boiled potatoes, place the potatoes in cold water. So that is what I'm going to be doing. So I'm going to place a pot over medium-high flame and place in my potatoes into the cold water. Next, you're going to transfer your potatoes into the pot. So once you're done placing in the potatoes into the cold water, you're going to be adding in seasoning. So I have some salt over here, and I'm going to be adding in 1.5 teaspoons of salt. This is to season the potatoes completely. For this recipe, I'm going to be using very few ingredients, which is salt, potatoes, peri peri seasoning, and cooking oil. And it's going to be a very good recipe. The potatoes are going to turn out crispy and well seasoned. Let's not forget, delicious. You're going to be parboiling your potatoes for around 3 to 5 minutes. Then you're going to drain the water, and then we're going to proceed to the next step of seasoning the potatoes with the peri peri seasoning or piri piri seasoning, and then we're going to be baking the potatoes. It's going to be awesome. When the potatoes are halfway cooked, you're going to put out the flames, and then you're going to drain the water. So that is what I'm going to be doing. Once done draining the water from the potatoes, you're going to remove the lid so that the excess steam can escape and the potatoes can cool a little bit. So at this point, you're going to be preheating your oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Then you're going to you're going to use a baking tray or a cast iron pan to roast your potatoes. You can see the potatoes are halfway cooked. Then you're going to add in 2 tablespoons of cooking oil to your potatoes. Add in your peri peri seasoning. And then you're going to coat the potatoes with the peri peri seasoning. And a little bit of salt to fully season your peri peri potatoes. Then you're going to flip the potatoes so that they can be coated with the delicious seasoning. Tossing the potatoes in the mixing bowl is going to add a very nice exterior that is going to crispen up while roasting in the oven. Next, you're going to transfer the potatoes into your baking tray or cast iron pan. Then you're going to lay the potatoes in a single layer. Add a tablespoon of more cooking oil on the potatoes. When done, you're going to be roasting your peri peri potatoes at 200 degrees Celsius for 30 to 35 minutes. And then you're going to flip the potatoes halfway so that they can fully crispen up on the outside. So that is what I'm going to be doing. My potatoes are ready. Wow. They're super crispy on the outside, I can tell, and they're smelling so delicious. This is how the potatoes are looking, and the potatoes are very hot. They're so crispy. They are coated with the delicious peri peri seasoning, and this recipe is just worth trying. So I'm going to plate my peri peri potatoes. I'm going to scoop and place. You can hear how crispy the peri peri potatoes are, and I'm absolutely loving how they have turned out. I highly recommend these peri peri potatoes because they are very versatile. You can serve the potatoes as a side dish, or you can enjoy the potatoes just as they are with a side.